Namaskar, I am Dr. Venkatramana Hegde, Editor-in-Chief of Farm TV and CMD for Shramajeevi Television Private Limited, Bangalore. It is the startup media company based out of Bangalore, Karnataka. Basically, we are the OTT TV for agriculture in Karnataka and in Kannada language. We are limited to Karnataka to begin with. We are the first to implement OTT technology for agriculture. You know, the OTTs are basically for entertainment programs. We are the first to implement this OTT for agriculture in India and of course probably in the world. And we are making 2 to 3 recorded programs every day and 1 live show every evening to interact with farmers. And again, all these things are first time of its kind. And we launched our official programs on June 1st, 2021. Already we have crossed 1 year, and so we are very much successful in commercial also angle also. We are the free model. I mean, the farmers or the viewers, they watch the content for free, and you can watch the content on our own OTT platform, that is Farm TV. That is a Android and iOS app available for free on Google Play Store and App Store. So we make the money from advertisements. This is our model, and we joined RKVY-RAFTAAR incubation, and it through marriage. So it helped us a lot, especially to get connected to other states, and especially for some legal issues like copyright registration and IP protection, and so many other sessions helped us a lot. And now we are granted under this RKVY-RAFTAAR scheme. Now till today it was our own investment. Now this grant will help us to expand, make better programs and in an efficient way. And anyway, ours is the social enterprise connected to farmers, and directly we give knowledge to farmers. We are working similar to the Krishi Vijnana Kendras of universities or ICR, and the similar work we are doing of the extension departments like horticulture department and agriculture department, because we make programs and we interview innovative farmers, we interview for scientists and so many other on our regular programs, and in other our live program we directly interact with farmers for consultation. It is again free of cost. So farmers line in queue up for every day. They have habituated to this program. So all 365 days we run this live show. It has become very popular. Right now we have some 60,000 downloads of our OTT app, and we are present on YouTube and social media like Facebook, everywhere. So basically our content goes on our own Farm TV app. We are introducing new technology, new crops, so many things in sync with departments as well as companies like Cadbury, Camco, and so many universities and all. So we are working, we are the people to connect all the stakeholders of farming to farmers. We are like a platform, media platform to connect all people. So it is helping farmers a lot, and we are commercially also we are successful, and the farmers are getting benefited a lot because of the effective extension service of the existing technology and agriculture science. Thank you.